Hey guys, I finally got some new headlights in. These are the new GT series from Auxbeam. My old ones went out, they broke, the fans went out and it overheated. So I really wanted to go try something new. I've been running the same headlights now for about 3 years. And these are the new Auxbeam GT series headlights. These are about $100, which is crazy to me. And I want to find out why they're so much more expensive than the other ones. So I bought them on Amazon, had them delivered today. We're gonna go ahead and open this up and see what's in the box. So this is the packaging. Looks like this is like the import packaging. They are made in China, which we knew. So the box is very similar to the old packaging. These are the H11s, which the Tacomas are. There's a sticker. Looks like a manual. That's it. So these things are definitely a lot larger than the other headlights as far as the fan's concerned. I don't think that'll be a problem on the Tacoma. We'll find out, but that's a much bigger fan. One thing I've noticed is the fans get clogged really easily. If you guys are off-roading, make sure you keep it clean. The diodes on there, it's got this little magnification bubble. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's real common with these LED lights, and it has looks like 4 diodes per side. Quality seems about the same as the other one. It's not bad quality. And I believe these are probably going to be the drivers. And they are. Wow, these are actually, these are like cast aluminum or something, or metal. That's pretty cool. To install these, it's fairly simple. You're just gonna go ahead and connect the driver. Make sure it clicks and it doesn't pull apart. That way you're getting a watertight seal. There is a hole right there that you can insert this key into, this hex key, and you can adjust the pattern. So these are why my old headlights failed. So you can see there's a lot of mud in there. That's what I was saying, make sure you guys clean these out. I didn't do that. The fans failed and it just caused these lights to overheat. Now I'm spending $100 on new lights. So I'll show you real quick how to change these out. I have some other cheaper brand in here. If you don't know, these just plug and play in your factory harness. Just twist them out, unplug the old ones. There's a little tab right here you just push down. Go ahead and connect your new one. These do have polarity issues, I should say issues, but it does count which side goes where. If it doesn't work, just unplug it, turn it around, it should work. The important thing is to line these tabs up and twist into place. So I had a problem with getting that to clear right here on this fender or body panel. But what I did was I removed these two 10mm bolts holding the headlight in. You just lift this up over those inserts and just barely pull the headlight housing out. It was enough to get that in. Now, I haven't tried over there yet. They still might not work. We will see. I'm gonna go ahead and put these bolts back in and move to the other side. So you can kind of see here why I'm having a little bit of problems getting these in. The fan diameter is like twice as big. It's a more powerful light. I understand that. So but just be mindful of that. You can also see that it's a little bit deeper. We'll go ahead and swap the other side out. I can already tell you I'm having the same issues over there. So we're gonna go ahead and take those bolts out and try to get this snaked in. What we're gonna do is just barely pull up on these, giving them over that insert. It's just enough to see I can pull on the headlight a little bit. Let's get the old light out. Just twist to the left. There we go. Old light. New light. This is where we're gonna pull out a little bit. Got it. Now I just gotta get it lined up. All right, so got it in. Barely fits. I gotta go ahead and put these tabs back on and put the bolts back on. Well, there you go. They are in. Man, they look really good. I definitely like it. They have a little bit more blue hue to it, and they are definitely brighter. I don't know, about 9,000 lumens or whatever. They do look really good. I can't wait for it to get a little darker so we can see. But there you go, guys. The Auxbeam GT series. So far, I like them. Well, there it is. Got it all adjusted as close as I could. The cutoff is pretty good. It's about as good as you're gonna get with these projector housings, LED bulbs. I definitely think they're much brighter. It's a very defined line too, for the most part. I like them. Let's go ahead and take them out. That is with the headlights. Having spent $100 on these headlights, would I do it again? And the short answer is yes. You look at all the other LED type stuff in the market, whether it be your Bajas, your Rigid, your Heretic, all those are light bars, yes. But the cost of quality LED parts out there is significant. And the value of that for $100 on these headlights and the improvements made, I believe are well worth the money. If it's in your budget, don't think twice. Just go ahead and get it. No, I'm not sponsored by Auxbeam. No, they did not give me these lights. And no, they did not give me a discount. I paid full price for them. So, and I would do it again in a heartbeat. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Please hit that thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps me out. I definitely want to start shooting more videos soon. And if you guys want to see something specific, let me know, because I'm kind of looking for some topics. I got different areas I can go. So until next time, take care.